Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an unboxing. You know I love my gadgets. So what are we unboxing today? A new air fryer. Yes, this is a Granitestone air fryer. It's also a countertop oven. Low energy, high speed, 1300 watt, 16 quart capacity, little or no oil. So you're gonna have less fat, less grease, less cholesterol, yes, less calories. And we love that for us. So here is a picture of the box. And today I'm being assisted by my wonderful husband who has begun to take the contents out of the box. So let's get into it. All right, so hubby has taken everything out of the box. Say hello, hubby.
What up?
And he is looking at the book, kind of trying to see how it's put together, basically. Yeah, so here's a little picture right here that shows how everything goes nicely together. But I'm going to just show you the contents really quickly. So you have this little metal, looks like a little basket. That's probably good for fries. And then you have these two little stainless steel components, racks. Yeah, I couldn't think of the word. Racks to sit your items on, your foods on. You have this big round thing that goes around. It'll sit on top of the glass or something. We're going to put it together, guys, and we'll figure it out. And then you have this portion, which is obviously the top and the brain of the air fryer. Yes, so this is all the electrical components. It also comes with a recipe book, which is pretty cool. So you can kind of see from this, thank you, how it sits. So we have the silver one instead of the black one, but the brain will be at the top, and then we will have the glass main, big component right here with the racks on the inside, and then it sits on this little thing right here. All right.
The rack is called the mesh basket.
The mesh. Okay, we're gonna get some proper terminology going here.
The mesh basket.
So
this is the high cooking rack.
So we have a high cooking rack.
A low cooking rack.
A low cooking rack. Thanks to hubby.
Basket.
A mesh basket. We getting some proper terminology going here. Yes. Instead of me like, this is this thing and this thing. What is this for?
That is number 9 tongs.
Y'all look at these. Some cute little tongs to pick up your items. I'm right-handed, so I'm not going to do too good with this, but
yeah, we got tongs anyway.
Yeah, we have.
It's good that it comes with it.
Very nice.
So the bowl base is the white plastic thing.
This is a bowl base.
Of course, that's a glass bowl.
The glass bowl, and then we did the racks, and we did the basket.
The extender ring.
So this thing I was just calling a thing. It's the extender ring. So guys, we're going to get all this put together and let you guys see the finished product here. All right, guys, so we are back. It is put together. It was very simple. It's actually just the bowl, and then you put the racks in there like that. There's no like drip pan or anything because this is very easy to wash because it's just a glass, and which we're excited about that because we're trying to get more away from plastic. So happy that this is glass. And then, babe, how does the top sit on there? That'll be the final step. Very easy. Look at that. Just like the top of a, love that. It's just like the top of a pot. So you sit the top on there like that. And you have your air fryer. I'm so excited to try this out. I'm actually going to let's just do some fish sticks in it just to give it a try. So we're going to get it all plugged in and I will be back to do some fish sticks. All right, guys, just wanted to show you something because we were talking about the tongs. The tongs are actually used to pick up the racks. Okay, how about that? That was very brilliant.
Another thing figured out by hubby, so you know.
He did. Because I sure would have been picking up food with them tongs.
That would have been horrible.
Horrible, I know.
That would have been horrible, yeah.
All right, so we're going to get it put together and let you guys see the finished product. All right, so I am going to remove this top. It has the handle. So we're going to remove the top. I'm just going to set it right here for just a second. And then I am going to take out the shorter rack. I'm just going to leave the taller rack in right there. All right, so I'm going to place my chicken sausage on the racks. All right, so it's in there. Now let's put the top back on. make sure it's secure. And it comes with this little recipe book. So I'm gonna look at the recommendations as far as the time for like sausage or chicken sausage. Well, it probably won't say chicken sausage, but for like sausage. Let's see if it has any type of guidelines. If not, your girl gonna go with what she thinks. Sometimes they'll put like time for, yep. So in the back of the book, they have some estimated times here. All right, so I'm going to turn this dial to 400. And then I am going to put it on, what did I say, 10 minutes? 10 minutes. Ooh, all right. So it lit up and we are cooking. So I will be back after 10 minutes to see what we have. Quick midway check-in. I accidentally dropped one on the bottom, but it can cook down there. I did flip them over and you can, oh, well, look at that, just in time. You could see the grease dripping from it. So I'm like, yes, that is what would have been in my body, and it will not be now. So let's take the top off. Ooh, yeah, it looks good. Nice and brown. And let's just pick it up and take a look. Of course, I'm not going to taste it because it's hot. Looks good. Looks like it's cooked thoroughly. I am a stickler for checking temperatures because I want to make sure everything is done. So let me grab the food thermometer. All right, so I have the handy dandy thermometer, and let's check the temperature on this chicken sausage. As well, if I don't keep knocking it down. I probably should do it off of the rack, but I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time. Okay, there we go. As we know, chicken should be at least 165, and these are in the 170s, so we are good to go. So yeah, that was pretty easy to use, pretty simple. Yeah, we'll see how it continues to work, and it looks like an easy cleanup because it's just a glass bowl, so that should be very easy to clean. So just wanted to show you guys. Oh, there's my eggs, y'all. I am a gadget girly. Look at this. Got my boiled eggs over here. We're going to have some chicken sausage and some toast. And that's going to be breakfast. But I love a gadget. Why? Because I work. As you can see, I have on my lab coat. So it's so easy for me to run over here, throw some breakfast together for me and my hubby. Go work, come back, throw some lunch together. So my little gadgets really make life easier for me. Especially trying to cook at home and be a little more healthy. So anywho, hope this review was helpful, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.